Good day, Safe Fleet partners, and thanks for making this stop to view Work Truck 360 with us today. Hey, my name is Craig Bonham. I'm the Vice President of Work Truck at Safe Fleet, and thanks very much for the time that you're going to give us today. Hey, we're at the threshold of the 2018 NTEA Work Truck Show, held from March 7th through 9th in Indianapolis, Indiana. This is going to be a fantastic event. We've got great products that we're going to be showing, and there's so much excitement over what we're going to be unveiling and all the solutions that we want to provide you for our mutual customers are all going to be there. So I ask that you attend and make sure that you poke at us for those questions that you need answered. The other thing that we've just done is we've just launched the 2018 media campaign. This is where we push our product intelligence through publications like NTA News and Work Truck Magazine and Ford Pros, just to name a few. The spring market is right in front of us, and I encourage you to get your orders in today so you can satisfy those procrastinating buyers. People that need it right now because their truck has gone down for the count. So get those orders in because the order bank is filling up for us, and we know that you want to serve your customers. The other thing I want to talk about is that our Safe Fleet Work Truck engineering team is always reviewing the application methods that joins our product to the changes of the OEM chassis itself. We have to remain up to speed on these applications to ensure noise, vibration, and harshness all to be under control, while also result a safe vehicle. So we're working hard for that. And anytime we make those changes, we will always communicate in an electronic communication to you at your business unit. So I hope to see you at the NTA Work Truck Show. Come by and visit us. And by the way, the next time we broadcast, we'll be broadcasting from the show. Thanks for your business. Have a great day.